Headlight restoration, very quick, in less than about a minute, 2 minutes. We got the spray here, spray lac it's called. You can find it online. And Windex, just Windex. We're gonna go ahead and spray the light. We got 1500 sandpaper. Any brand you can get, what sandpaper? It has to be perfect, but you can use water too. It doesn't have to be Windex either. You can take all that corrosion off. Where from the sunlight that burns everything, makes it ugly and yellow. The reason why I sand this is because I want the paint to grab. It's clear paint, you know? I want clear paint to grab better. That's why I'm sand it. It lasts as longer too if you do that. Just making sure it's recording, guys. Once it's dry up, and you put it to clear coat once it dries up. There you have it. Just gotta wait for it to dry, guys. That's all. Makes your car look better. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, please.